How's it going, peaceful people? It's Mr. Delpha here. I hope that you and your family are doing well and are staying healthy. I miss you and I think about you often. Let's continue to learn and to grow with these lessons. Good afternoon, class, and welcome to another segment of the Star Power Hour. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make parabolic curves. Parabolic curves are curves created using straight, intersecting lines. Now, in order to do that, we're going to have to persevere. You know what perseverance is, but if you don't, let me remind you. Perseverance is not easily giving up when things are difficult. During these times, things are difficult. Not wanting to get up and learn something new and grow is a challenge for us. But that's why we need perseverance, because we need to grow ourselves and we need to continue learning. So, without further ado, let me know that you're ready. Ready! Great! Then let's get started. First, all you're gonna need is a pen, a ruler, and a piece of paper. What you want to do is, using your ruler, make a vertical line that is 5 inches long. Next, you'll make a horizontal line that is 5 inches long. Horizontal is like left to right, like the horizon line. The next step is, using your ruler, we will need to make 1/2 inch dots all the way from 0 to 5 across your lines. So starting at 0, make a dot, and then a 1/2 inch, make a dot, 1 inch, 1.5 inch, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, and 5. Once you have those lines, those dots, you'll do the same thing on the horizontal line. Now that you've created your points, you're going to want to mark each point with a number. Starting with the horizontal line, we're going to number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For the vertical line, we're going to start the 1 at the top of the line. Like so. Make sure that your dots are visible so you can see them for the next step. The next step, you want to take your ruler and connect each corresponding point. So for instance, the number 1 will connect with the number 1 point. Do the same process for each number. This is how a parabolic curve is created. The basic principle of a parabolic curve is the creation of curved shapes from the intersection of straight lines. As you can see, these straight lines are intersecting with each other, and at the same time, we are creating a curve. And there you have it, a parabolic curve. Now that you have your parabolic curve drawn, let's color it. I'm choosing to use a checker pattern with the colors black and yellow. As you can see in the video sped up, you are not limited to how you can color it. It is your choice. To create different patterns. One pattern is a star. What happened here is 4 parabolic curves were created back to back to create this star pattern. Now, if you can imagine the one we just did is right here, all you would have to do is turn the page to create another one. And eventually, you would have a star. Another pattern you can do with a parabolic curve is overlapping curves. Now, just like the curve we just created, you can see our curve is right here. But to continue on, we've created an inverted curve, which means a mirror image of this curve on the other side of the page. And if you twist the paper up, you can see that there's another curve that blends into the first curve. Now, if you were to do this pattern 4 times overlapping, you would create what I did is 4 overlapping curves. This was created using nails, string, and wood. Each point is a nail, just like the points that you made. Each line is string. Every time I got to another parabolic curve, I would change the color until I had all 4. And then I made a straight line in the middle and another horizontal line. So a vertical straight line and a horizontal straight line to create the star pattern. The circle was created a little differently than how we make the curve, but it's sort of the same concept. Basically, you're making consecutive squares, switching each point as you go in whatever direction you choose. Doing this creates multiple squares and forms a circle. All of these were created with straight lines. So, parabolic curve. I hope that you enjoy this video and you learn something and you yourself try to make a parabolic curve. Until next time, have a good day.